Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Kids, today I am going to teach you English. So kids, open your English book. Kids, today in English I will teach you sound of A. Kids, today I will teach you words of vowel sound of A. बच्चों, आज मैं आपको sound of A के words पढ़ाऊंगी. So kids, read it aloud with me. What is this? This is bat. B-A-T, bat. What is this? Bat. B-A-T, bat. Kids, what is this? This is cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. What is this? This is hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Kids, what is this? This is mat. M-A-T, mat. What is this? Mat. M-A-T, mat. What is this? Cap. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. What is this? M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. What is this? This is van. This is van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. What is this? This is man. M-A-N, man. So kids, once again we will read sound of A words. So kids, read it aloud with me. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. V-A-N, van. M-A-N, man. Kids, now we will read more words of vowel sound of A. So kids, read it aloud with me. बच्चों, अब हम और words पढ़ेंगे sound of A के. तो kids, मेरे साथ पढ़िए. Read aloud it with me. H-A-T, hat. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. M-A-T, mat. S-A-T, sat. C-A-P, cap. L-A-P, lap. T-A-P, tap. M-A-P, map. G-A-P, gap. Kids, these are the more words. C-A-N, can. B-A-N, ban. R-A-N, ran. V-A-N, van. F-A-N, fan. B-A-G, bag. L-A-G, lag. S-A-G, sag. R-A-G, rag. T-A-G, tag. L-A-B, lab. C-A-B, cab. D-A-B, dab. G-A-B, gab. T-A-B, tab. B-A-D, bad. D-A-D, dad. H-A-D, had. L-A-D, lad. M-A-D, mad. So kids, today you all will read sound of A words. Thank you.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ EduFun classes. Thank you for watching.